So ash in an engine oil is often a misunderstood topic because it's invisible to the naked eye. So what ash, or saps as they're sometimes called, are elements which either naturally occur or are added to an engine oil to actually provide certain benefits, such as engine protection and engine cleanliness. However, a recent focus on lowering emissions has seen a big rise in the use of exhaust treatment devices like catalytic converters or DPFs. Now, while ash does have beneficial properties, it also harms these devices, blocking them more quickly and creating unnecessary expense for customers. So low ash oils are becoming more predominant in the market. Think your CSC grades, for example. So a modern oil must be low ash while also keeping the same levels of engine protection. So a really resilient base oil is required. Shell's approach to this problem is their unique GTL technology, which is a base oil derived entirely from natural gas. This creates a very robust product, and you'll find this technology in Shell's Helix Ultra range, which is designed not only for the cars of today, but also for the cars of tomorrow.